Hello friends, here we are in my garden. Here I have a small shooting range, and here you can see my practice target. Take a look. This is steel. I made it myself, and I use it for shooting my Gamo air rifle. Of course, the steel it's very thick, maybe thicker that it's needed, but anyway, let me know your thoughts. I very like it because I can move it anywhere I want. It's tripod, so it stays almost level on any kind of terrain. Let me know what do you think. And here is the rest of the garden. Here again a small shooting range for my BB gun, airsoft gun. Here and also here. And in the back we have open field.